Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to see all installed apps on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to see all installed apps on Chromecast, you have to go to settings, because if you look at your app section of the home screen, that's if you go to home and go to your apps, you may not find all of the apps on your device here, especially third-party apps or side-loaded apps. You could also even come to apps on this category and look here. Still, you may not find all of the apps. Now, to see all of the apps on this device which you have installed, just go to quick settings, go to all settings, navigate down to apps, and you find the recently opened apps first. So go to this option that says see all apps, click on it, and here you find every single app which has been installed on Chromecast. So just find the app you're looking for here, and it must be here. Now, if an app is not there, it will surely be a system app like the Google Play Store. Just go to show system app and then navigate down this list, and you find all apps embedded in the system. So that's it for this video. I hope you have been able to find all installed apps on Chromecast. Like the video if you have, subscribe to the channel for content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.